Hey guys, I'm Sonika. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can take some amazing panorama images in camera using the Nikon Coolpix P500. Say hi, say hi, say hi.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
The Nikon Coolpix P500 has an amazing easy panorama option. Let me show you how to use it. Go to the scene mode. Now hit menu and select easy panorama. We have two options here, normal and wide. Normal will give you a 15-second panorama and wide 30 seconds. We'll go with normal for the sake of this video. First I hit the shutter button halfway to focus, then click it and move the camera in any direction, left, right, up or down, very slowly, because if you move it too fast or jerk your hand too much, the camera may show you an error and you will have to start all over again. Also, you may stop when you are more than halfway through, but if you cover less than half of the area shown in this slider, the camera will show you an error. That's it, I'm done. Images are recorded in the dimensions of 4800 by 920 pixels in the normal mode if I move my camera horizontally. And if I move it vertically, they are recorded in 4800 by 1536 pixels. In the wide mode, images are recorded in the resolution of 9600 by 920 if I move my camera horizontally, and vertically 9600 by 1536 pixels. The image recorded in camera can be narrower than what is visible at the time of shooting. To view your image, go to the playback button. Whoa, this looks cool. Press OK to zoom into a slideshow. Or else hit the zoom button and then use the left and right buttons to view your image sideways. So guys, I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If it did, take your camera out, click those panorama images, tag me at Agarwal Sonika on Instagram. I will be very happy to go through your images, guys. And give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave a comment down below about what you want to watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I am on YouTube. Here is my previous video and here is a playlist that plays all my content related to this camera. Please go check it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such tutorials on my channel. Bye.